Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are doing just fine. I missed all of you. And today you will like this session because you have been always asking me about subtraction. So here we go. Today we will start with chapter 8, subtraction. I want you to prepare your papers or your books and open page 116. I'm going to write it here in the middle, okay? In order to see it well. So let's get started. Look here at this picture. What do you see? Excellent. So you see horses, right? Is it inside the fence or outside the fence? I'm talking about the first picture here. Excellent. All the horses are inside the fence. Excellent. Let's read it. 8 horses are inside the fence. Now what happens? 3 horses exit and 5 others stay. When you look at the picture, you will notice that not all the horses are still inside. So 3 are now outside, and the remaining horses are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 horses are outside the fence. Now there are no longer 8 horses, there are less than. By how much? 3 horses left them. So now we have inside 5. To understand well, let's keep going. On the same page. And let's move to the second part. I didn't erase this, sorry. Okay, now on the second one, the second image. What do you see here? Excellent. So this is a pond full of ducks, right? Listen, these two images are different, okay? This is at the beginning and this is at the end. Now, how many ducks are inside? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, the total number of the ducks is 11. Look, the same image, the same photo. After a while, how many ducks are outside the pond and how many ducks are still inside? Let's see. Inside, I mean swimming in the pond. Now, how many ducks are outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. They were 11 ducks. The total number of all the ducks is 11. Now 6 ducks left them. 6 ducks leave. Okay, leave the pond. And how many ducks are still swimming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So when I want to write it as an equation, I start with the total number. Here, since here the ducks leave the pond, we say minus. 11 minus 6, of course, we have equal. Equal 5. What do we mean by 5? 5, the remaining ducks. Got it? Let's move to page 117. Okay, yalla, get ready because we have to do it together. Let me share it. Okay, so this is page 117. Let's take a look on the first question. Complete the following. Here we have to fill in the blanks, but how? Okay, where is the pen? هيا مش الحال. Okay. Complete the following. Here we have to fill in the blanks, but how? Of course, we can do it randomly. So we have to read, understand, and write down the answer. There are, blank here, cars in the parking. Of course, they need to know the total number of all the cars in the parking that you are looking at. Look here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many cars are there in all? There are 12 cars. Great. Let's move to the second picture. Here we have exit the parking. How many cars exit the parking and how many cars are left in the parking space, okay? As you can see, these are the cars that exit the parking, okay? Because they changed their way, their direction. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So 4 cars exit the parking. Here we had 12. 4 of them left exit the parking. Now, how many cars are still in the parking? And how many cars are left inside? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars are left. Let's get ready. Now, look at the first picture here. What do you see? Excellent. A tree full of orange or an orange tree. So let's read down. There are oranges on the orange tree. How many oranges are there? And of course, do not forget, whenever you count, use slashes in order not to get confused, okay? To give the exact number. Let's start counting. أكيد start from the top or from the bottom, but you have to move on the same way, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. How many oranges are there on the orange tree? 17. Yani the total number of the oranges is 17. Now, what happened with this tree? Oranges fall down. How many oranges fall down? Look at the ground. Let's count the oranges. I will give you time. You have to count. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges are on the tree. How many oranges are left on the orange tree? Okay, so 5 oranges fall down on the ground. Here. How many oranges are still on the orange tree? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent. So we write 12 here. Let's summarize it. 17, the total number of the oranges. Now 5 oranges of them fall on the ground. How many oranges are left on the orange tree? 12. Great. Get ready to do the last part. Okay. Try and start to count the birds on this cable. It's not the last part, the least but not last. Okay, so let's count the birds. How many birds are there? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the total number of the birds is 13. Great. Here we have this equation, but here we use words in order to understand what we mean by minus, okay? So we usually start with the total number as I told you before. So how many? I have to count them again. I have forgotten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we write the total number on the first line. Here we have the word minus. This is minus. Now you took a plus. This is plus. Now you will take minus. This we use it while adding. This we use it while subtracting. Okay, so minus here, listen, we have two things to think about. We have the birds that are still on the cable, and we have the birds that flew or are flying away. Okay, so minus indicates the things that we are losing or that they are leaving. Clear? Going, for example. So when I say minus, I don't mean these, I mean these. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write here 6 because we had them standing here. 6 decided to fly. Okay? So 13 minus 6, of course, this word is equal. You are familiar with equal. And here we write what is the difference. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many birds are remaining, are left on the cable? 7. Okay, and we call this answer in when we deal with the subtraction, we call it difference. Clear? As you still remember, when we use a plus, we call the answer sum. But here, we call difference, okay, and subtraction. Now, the last one, let me change the color because it's annoying. I didn't like it. I can't see it well. Here we have a box or a cartoon full of orange juice, okay? So here we have some cans. As you know, we have to count the excellent. We have to give the total number of the orange cans or orange juice cartoons. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, we start with the total number. So on the first line, we have to write 6. We have this word minus. So 6 minus. As I told you, which should I count? When I say minus, do I mean the remaining here in the same cartoon or box? No, when I say minus, I mean those that I took out. Okay? So we count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 6 orange juice cans, cartoons, whatsoever. I took 4 out of them. Okay, I took 4. How many cans are still in this box? 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. I hope that you understood everything. Next time, inshallah, we will complete the rest. Thank you.